A day on the farm with Tom, Lucy, and friends.
Hello everyone. Hello. Look, Lucy. It's a cow. The cow says moo. Can you say moo like a cow? Cow. This is a sheep. The sheep says baa. How many sheep do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sheep. Sheep. Here is a pig. The pig says oink oink. What color is the pig? The pig is pink. Can you find something the same color? Pig. Tom and Kate feed the chickens. The chickens say cluck cluck. Chicken. They give hay to the horse. The horse says neigh. How many legs does the horse have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Horse. Look, ducks. The ducks say quack quack. Can you quack like a duck? Duck. Bruno and Susan play with the rabbits. The rabbits are so soft. What other animals are soft? Can you think of any? Rabbit. Tom and Bruno milk the cow. Fresh milk is delicious. What color is the milk? Can you name other white things? Milk. They ride on the tractor. Vroom vroom. Can you pretend to drive a tractor? Vroom vroom. Tractor. Thank you for visiting the farm with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye bye.